Hello everyone, in this video we are going to install Tailwind CSS. So for that we need to open our browser and go to Tailwind CSS website, and we need to hit the documentation link, and here we have the simplest and fastest way to get up and running with Tailwind from scratch is with the Tailwind CLI tool. So we'll be using Tailwind CLI tool. For this we need to install npm package manager. So I'm sure you have already downloaded, and let's copy this and go to a VS Code file. So let me open VS Code. So VS Code is open. So let me open our terminal and paste the command, and I've already pasted and hit enter. So wait for a few seconds until we go to the next step, which is configure your template path. So we also copy this and it's done here. So tailwind config.js file. So paste it and let's do some modification. Our file name will be index.html, and while we are here, let's create a folder name source, and in this folder we have a file name index.html. Also let's create another file name as style input is the right name, input.css, and we're good. So let's follow the next step, which is copy this and paste it here in our input.css file which we've already created. And what's next? So we need to, let's do this first, I guess. Copy the index file and paste it in our index folder, and that's it. Now we need to paste. Now we need to enter this command to start our build process, tailwind CLI build process, and hit enter, and I guess we are good to go. And yes, we're good. So I've downloaded the extension live server, and let's see if it's work or not. And it is working successfully. So let's check. I don't want the underline plus, I want the text in the center. So text center, and I want to write something else. Let's write our channel's name and see if it's working, and it is working. Let's play with it. Let me change the color from text red. Yes, and I guess 700 is good. And yes, so when I hover over it, what should I do? What color I want? And I want it to be purple. Purple 700 again. And let's see if it's work or not. And it's working. I don't want the BG, I want the text. And it's working, guys. And I also want the underline when I hover. And let's see if it's work or not. Yeah, better. Now it will work. It should work. And it's working. Great. So if you want more videos on Tailwind CSS, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.